someone to read the data if it is in the form of a plain text, and it is confidential also, right? And very easy to read in the form of plain text. Julius Caesar, you might have heard about this king. He never trusted his messengers, it seems. He never trusted his messengers. Like if he want to pass his message to some of his generals or commanders, he will not send it through a plain text. He will encrypt his message, like changing each alphabet with an alternative. There are main three components in this information security. We have three main components like confidentiality, integrity, authenticity, and availability. So these three are the main important components of information security. Okay, confidentiality means it is nothing but a secrecy, right? Confidentiality is secrecy. So you need to maintain the secret of the information. So how you are going to maintain? By changing this plain text to a coding text. So with this diagram, you can understand what is cryptography. Cryptography is the science and art of transforming messages to make them secure and immune to attack. Like it's like a method of coding a plain text message into a secret message. Okay, so that is the meaning of the actual meaning of this cryptography. So you are going to convert your ordinary plain text message to a coding message or a secret message. That is what you can say it as in a single sentence, cryptography. Okay, so transforming messages to make them secure and immune to attack. Someone is entering. Okay, fine. So plain text to encryption, encryption to ciphertext, and decryption then to plain text. What is this encryption? Encryption it is nothing but the method of hiding your plain text, right? So now the plain text is converted into a ciphertext. So we can say this is nothing but a new encrypted text. This is nothing but a new encrypted text, the ciphertext. The encrypted data is not readable by others, and hence it is secure only. Okay, so once it is going to reach the receiver abdina, the receiver can read the ciphertext. So this is the process of cryptography. Are you able to understand? Karthik, Akash, anyone? Yes, respond me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then next is, what are the different types of cryptography or cryptographic algorithms? These are three types of cryptographic algorithms. The first one is symmetric cryptography, and the second one is asymmetric cryptography or asymmetric key cryptography, and the third one is hash function. Okay, symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography, and hash function, third one, right? So what is this symmetric key cryptography? Symmetric key, it is also known as secret key cryptography. Secret key cryptography. And here here actually what the function does now, this is going to use a single key. Only a single key is available. That single key is used to both encrypt and decrypt the messages. Okay, the receiver can open it. Okay, right. Symmetric key cryptography. Then the second one is asymmetric key cryptography. Before going to asymmetric key cryptography, we have different forms of ciphers. Different forms of cipher we have. So one is substitution cipher and the other is transposition cipher. So these two are traditional ciphers used. It's like a technique in which the letters or numbers or symbols of plain text are replaced by other letters or symbols or numbers. For example, I'm going to change this AD by 25 and TZ by 36. Okay, so this is my secret code. That is substitution cipher. And then one more type is transposition cipher. In this transposition techniques, what happens now? The entire plain text can be changed with one another with a key. So this is the ciphertext for this ordinary plain text. Okay. So letters, numbers, symbols, whatever can be changed in this transposition technique. The ciphertext is fully changed with the alphabets with a key used. So this is transposition cipher. And next is asymmetric key cryptography. And this asymmetric key cryptography, it uses two keys, okay, like one private key and one public key, right? So private key will be remaining with the sender alone, and public key will be given to the receiver, right? Okay, so that is asymmetric key cryptography, which uses different keys for both encryption and decryption, right? Encryption is for converting the ordinary text to ciphertext. Decryption is converting that ciphertext to again plain text. Okay, so this is encryption and decryption, and here they're using two keys. Encryption uses private key and decryption uses public key, right? Yes. Okay. Are you able to understand these points, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then a comparison, whatever we have seen in these slides now, so that are just given as points here. Same algorithm with the same keys used for encryption and decryption, like in symmetric key cryptography. Then asymmetric key cryptography level the different keys. Then the key must be kept secret. It may be impossible or at least impractical to decipher a message if no other information is available. Here I have given a hash function. Hash function is nothing but only encryption of plain text. That is one ordinary cryptographic technique. Only one-way cryptography, or what you can say, like only encryption of plain text, like one-way cryptography. It's one-way cryptography. Okay, so these are the things to remember regarding cryptography. Regarding for your syllabus, these points are enough. Okay, what is cryptography? What are the categories of cryptography or cryptographic algorithms? And then what are the different types of traditional ciphers? Two different types. Then a small comparison between this cryptographic techniques, and lastly the application. So where you can see this confidentiality of this mainly under defense services, that is the main very important thing. Then securing data manipulation, then e-commerce mainly in the economic sides, and business transactions, internet payment systems, user identification systems, then accessing many control techniques, then data security. So these are the applications of cryptographic techniques. Any doubts, Pa?
No, ma'am.
Okay.